as you can see, we are on the lake. Boat full of gear and Ian. Hopefully we get on some fish today and tonight. Looks like I might be able to catch some fish over here. We are here. All right, there they go. They're going to get their families. And I am here to catch some bait. I've already got one bluegill, but I'm gonna keep fishing. Hopefully we get on some. Doing okay catching bait. I've got 2 baits, but I also caught a bass so far, and he's going back. I just want to show Ian, but we're catching bait. Whoa, what do I got? A crappie? No, big bait.
Oh, that's a good one. That's perfect.
Big bait.
That's perfect bait right there.
Oh, you're pissing on me.
That's gonna catch a good one right there.
No, don't.
What happened?
I just don't want to freaking flop everywhere. Is that a tri-hull pontoon? It looked like it.
Might be. I got a buddy with one. Got twin Suzuki's on the back. That's a big ass boat.
Oh yeah, that ain't the pontoon.
Oh damn.
They like it swam. I was like swimming it. Fill this thing up. Dang, Ian with a chunker. That's about almost as big as the one I got.
Almost.
Dang, we got some bait tonight. We're gonna try and fit my tent right there, so I can be right next to my poles. feels pretty good.
But I wanted it to be Elise because my favorite song is Taylor Elise. I grew up going to sleep listening to Taylor Elise.
Feels like it's kind of stuck on something.
All I listened to as a baby.
I feel him. Oh yeah, I think he caught out.
Yep, fish on.
He's right there. Yeah. I can't tell how big he is.
It's the most treacherous place to look at a fish for a drunk guy.
Woo! Like a 12. Oh, wow.
That's bigger than Elena, come look at this fish.
Jeez.
Good job, buddy.
Hell yeah.
I don't know.
Good job.
I'm guessing around 15.
Think
14
so?
to 15.
16-3.
I think he feels like he's 13.
Are you on it?
12.75. There he goes.
All right, we are inside the tent and it is bedtime. If we get any runs, I'll head out there and hopefully bring them in. See you in the morning otherwise. Starting to get light out. Probably gonna start packing up and head to shore.
to Flathead last night. Well, went out about 5 a.m. and he was just tangled in weeds. Otherwise, not a bad night. We are now leaving the camp spot. I was fishing right over there.